Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. Today we will solve practice set 14. So let's begin. Put star for this point. If the greatest of the given numbers is divisible by the other numbers, then that greatest number is the LCM of the given numbers. Practice set 14. Question number 1. Choose the right option. Write down first one. The HCF of 120 and 150 is dash. Options are 30, 45, 20, 120. Yes, 30 is correct answer, because if we see in 120 and 150 units place 0 is there, it means 10 multiplied by 12, 10 multiplied by 15. 10 is common number in both. If we take 12 and 15, the common factor is 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 3 is common. So 10 is common and 3 is common. These two numbers, if we multiply, 10 3s are 30. Therefore 30, first option is correct answer. 30. Write down question number 2. The HCF of this pair of numbers is not 1. 13, 17, 29, 20, 40, 20, 14, 15. Correct. 40 and 20, third option is correct answer. If we see first option, 13 and 17, both are prime numbers. Therefore, common number is only 1. In these also, 29 is prime number. Therefore, number 1 is HCF. And in these two numbers also, there is no other common numbers, only 1 is common. Only in 40 and 20 there are many numbers which are common. It means HCF of 40 and 20 is not 1. Therefore third option, 40, 20 is correct answer. Write down question number 2. Find the HCF and LCM. First one, 14, 28. Second, 32, 16. 17, 102, 170. Fourth, 23,69. I have showed you this point. We have written it. All have written this. If the greatest of the given number is divisible by other number, in these two numbers, greatest number is 28 and 28 is divisible by 14. If 28, which is the greatest number, and if it is divisible by 14, then that greatest number is LCM. Here greatest number is 28 and 28 itself is LCM and smallest number is HCF. Therefore, write down answer. First write down HCF equals 14, LCM equals 28. Similarly, for 32 and 16, greatest number is 32 and this 32 is divisible by 16. 16 twos are 32. Therefore, 16 is HCF and 32 is LCM. Write down HCF equals 16, LCM equals 32. And now we will solve this third sum. (17, 102, 170). All three numbers are divisible by 17. So take first factor is 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 hows are 102.
6 are.
Correct. 17 6 are 102. 17 tens are 170. As 17 is common in all these three numbers, therefore 17 we have to take as a HCF. Therefore write down answer. HCF equals 17. But now to find out LCM, we will take more factors, that is from 6 and from here 10. I will take 2, 1 as it is now. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now we have to multiply 17 into 2 into 3 into 5 for LCM. LCM equals 17 into 2 into 3 into 15. Sorry. Here 5 to the 10. Just wait. By mistakenly I took here 15. 5 to the 10 will come. 51 multiplied by 10 equals 510. Therefore, HCF equals 17 and LCM equals 510. Fifth sum we have to take 21, 49, 84. 21, 49, 84. These numbers are divisible by 7. So I will take here 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Correct, 12s are. Now 3 and 12 are divisible by 3. So take here 3. Before that, you see 7 is only the common factor in these 3. Therefore 7 will come as a HCF. So first you write down this HCF equals 7. Otherwise again you will get confused, because here 3 is there, here 7 is there, and 12 is there. There is no any common in all 3. Therefore now for finding LCM, we have taken 3 as a common. 3 ones are 3, 7 as it is, and 3 hows are 12, 3 fours are 12. It means we will take 7, 3, 1, 7 and 4 for LCM. LCM equals 7 into 3 into 7 into 4. 7 sevens are 49, 4 threes are 12. Now tell me, 12 nines are how much? 108. 10 will be carry over. Now 12 fours are 48 plus 10. So here will come 58. 588 is the LCM of these numbers. So answer is HCF equals 7. LCM equals 588. Question number 3, find the LCM. Number 1, 36, 42. We'll take here 6, 6 are 36, and 6 hows are 42, 7s are. Now we will multiply 6, this 6 and here this 7. LCM equals 6 into 6 into 7. 6 6 are 36, multiply by 7. 6 7s are 42. 4 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25. Write down number 2. 15, 25, 30. 15, 25, 30.
5.
All 3 numbers are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are. Now we have to see 3 and 6. 3 will take as a common. 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 3 2s are 6. Now take these numbers down. 5 into 3 into 5 into 2. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10.
150.
Answer is 150, correct. Question number 3. Fifth sum. (24, 40, 80, 120. 24, 40, 80, 120. All numbers are divisible by 2, 4, and as well as 8. So I will start with 4. 4 hows are 24? 6 are 24. 4 10s are 40. 4 20s are 80. And 4 30s are
60.
120. Now again, all these numbers are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 2 15s are 30. Here 5 is there, 10 is there, 15 is there. We'll take as a 5 common, 3 as it is down, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now here 3 is there, here also 3 is there. We'll take 3 common outside. 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 2 as it is, and again 3 1s are 3. Now 4 2 5 3 and here 2. We will take it as all factors down and we will multiply. LCM equals 4 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. 24.
244.
Yes, correct. 5 2s are 10. Now 24 10s are 240 is the LCM of these given numbers. Question number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives remainder of 5 every time. Take 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. Now see, 10, 15 and 20 are divisible by 5. So we'll take first 5. So I will take here first 5. 8 will take down as it is. 9 also. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Now 8, 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So I will take here 2 as a common. This 9 and 3 will take later. 2 4s are 8, 9 as it is, 2 1s are 2. This 3 also as it is, 3, 2, 2s are 4. Again here 4 is there, 2 is there. I will take again 2. 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Now we will take 3 as a common. 2 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3 and here 1. Now these numbers and these numbers will multiply, then we will get LCM. Take these numbers down in the multiplication form. 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Now 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20, 3s are 60, 60 to the 120, multiply by 3 we will do.
360.
3 zeros are 0, 12 3s are 36. 360 is LCM. Now 360 is LCM. We have to add this remainder 5. So smallest number equals LCM plus remainder 360 plus 5. I will write here answer up. Given answer is 365. Now we'll write question number 5. reduce the fractions. 348 upon 319, comma 221 upon 247, 437 upon 551 to the lowest terms or lowest form. Take these two numbers down. (348), 319. Now we have to see these two numbers are divisible by which number. Now these two numbers are divisible by only one number, and that is 29. Yes, answer is 12. And now next question, you have to divide now this number by 29. 319 upon 29. Tell me what answer is coming now.
11.
Yes, Raj.
11.
I said you have to type it in the chat box.
Sorry, sir.
So only 29 is common in between these two. 12 and 11 we cannot take any number common. Therefore 29 is HCF, and when we divide these both the numbers by 29 we get answer 12 upon 11. So (12/11) is lowest term of this number. Similarly, we will take next numbers 221 and 247. Yes, 11 is correct answer. And now take this number 247 and divide it by 13. Answer is 19. Similarly, take these numbers down. 221 upon 247. Divide these two numbers by 13. You will get lowest term 11 by 19. 437, 551. Will divide both the numbers by 19. When we divide 437 by 19, what answer comes? 23 is correct. And now divide this number 551. Yes, very good, 29. So 437 upon 551, both numbers divided by 19. Answer is 23 upon 29. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much.